flying back like myself.
Who's turn?
Your turn.
Oh, we got close. Now whose turn?
Steven. Then mine. My turn. I could cheer left anymore. I just can't.
You're doing what?
He's gonna keep trying to. I don't care where my goal is. I'm gonna whack him out of here.
Then you'll never win.
Yeah, and you won't either.
Nathan.
All I want to do is make sure you won. But I only went
All right, almost.
time.
Okay, whose turn?
Yes, one and then going to me before conversation. And then knock me all the way over there.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
Hey, it's so close. Black and blue.
Uh-oh, he hit you, so now he gets to... Ow!
Oh, I can't. No, I hit it with my mallet. I hit you with my mallet.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I didn't even hit my ball.
That was that short. He could do that again.
After what he did to me that time.
Uh-oh.
You're trying to kill me here. Yeah, because you already did kill me.
He's in a bad spot. He's not going to go very far anymore.
I don't even do anything. Why did you just stand here?
You know I'm recording this. This is going to go down in history. There you go. That's it. That's enough.
Okay, die.
That's enough. There you go.
Oh, gee, I don't know if this one's going to work with me.
It's not. It's not. Don't try. Yes!
All right.